Oduwa Coin. A lot of you are excited about this project. I know most of you have the Q2 wallet. Q2 wallet is one of the most safe. You can have your own encryption keys and public keys, private keys, and also when you're staking POS, you need the core Q2 wallet. Every blockchain has their own core Q2 wallet. For the purpose of this education, we're going to be focusing on Oduwa Coin, a cryptocurrency designed to empower the underserved in the unbanked community. This cryptocurrency is taking this project across the border. They're coming out with your cross-border payment matching gateway. So you want to be staking right now. You want to be stacking as much as Oduwa Coin. You want to be stacking as much as Oduwa Coin that you can get. And this project is not a joke. Well, for now, we're going to be focusing on one thing. We're going to be focusing on Q2 wallet. Most of you worrying about synchronization process. How long does it take? Bootstrap, having signal to the server. Well, it all boils down to your laptop, your computer. We don't do mobile mining. We're doing here PCs, laptop, general no laptop. Well, you have to have a good memory. You get space to synchronize the blockchain, and you're going to make sure you be on our official website, duacoin.io. And I'm going to start here now and click on Oduwa Coin. We're going to go to Google. This is my desk. So my desktop looks messy because I have a lot of things going on. But focus on this little screen here. Um, we're going to be also focusing on one thing. Let's go to URL oduwacoin.io. And I'm going to open another window called Oduwa Explorer because those are the two things we need. Explorer is our blockchain ledger. Every blockchain has their own ledger. Bitcoin has its own blockchain ledger. Explorer, Ethereum, Ether Explorer, they have their own ledger, all transactions. Explorer is what records all transactions. Don't forget, cryptocurrency means secret, but the public want to see what's going beyond the transactions. So we create our own Oduwa Explorer. So we all, everything becomes transparent, and you can see transactions. You can see the block height right now is 756916 block. 23 guys, 23 computers are connected to the server. Majority of exchange, miners, and all that. So I'm going to make sure the screen is fit right well. Right now, we're going to be doing this, and we're going to take it from there. I'm going to look at the movement of the transactions, compensations, and all that. Um, okay. Oduwa. So your transaction moving happening right now. One spot to the other ones. We're gonna look at the top 10 cryptocurrency. This is the top 10 stakeholders. So guys, if you your wallet, if you have a dual coin over $1,000, over 1,000 OWC, your wallet should be showing up here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now, this guy has 2 million, 1.3. Wow. Guys are taking precautions. Guys are doing what they're supposed to do. Because cryptocurrency, the community is very important, it's very essential. And what keeps them happy is the reward we give. There's 6 million Oduwa coin that is distributed through mining, through staking. That means the more Oduwa coin you have, the more reward you get. It's called proof of stake. No much equipment needed. Your laptop, your broadband, your internet explorer. Sometimes if you have bad connection, maybe it's your Wi-Fi, or sometimes maybe it's your antivirus you have on your computer. Check those space and make sure everything is all right. And I'm also going to take you right now to OduwaCoin.io. Let me um, I'm going to open this window. Sometimes I want to make sure we're in the screen. Let's see. Give me 1 second. Let me open this up wider. Let me open this wider. Let me stretch this wider. What is Oduwa Coin? Vision. You're gonna see all the wallets you can download. This is an official website. You gotta have the code. If you have Windows, you gotta download this one. If you have Linux, Android is just for us for making payment because we're coming up with our cashless payment system, our merchant gateway. So you need that mobile. We're on Android, we're on Apple, we're in iOS store. So it's our GitHub, so we can download anything you want to download. Let's go on the source coding. Let's go to our GitHub. The GitHub is Oduwa/OduwaCoin. Here you're going to see our a blockchain hybrid. We have a POW and POS. Proof of work, it just allows cryptocurrency to do its own work on the back end, using proof of work. But when it comes to reward, we're using proof of stake because it's more efficient, less energy on all that. Because our cryptocurrency, everything is coming out of the grandfather Bitcoin. So we took up what Bitcoin did wrong and we fixed it and we created a dual coin. So you're going to see a lot of things. Whatever Bitcoin can do, or dual coin can do it because our cores are very, very similar. Development process and all that. Then we're going to go back to Oduwa Coin new release. Just put a slash here, releases. You can download any wallet you want to download. You can have your Windows, Linux, and also the Bootstrap is also your own that the title assets. So right now, let's click on boom. You download the Dual Coin wallet. Make sure the wallet is fully in your laptop. And for me, I've already have it on my computer. If you want to double check that you have a Dua in your wallet, what you need to do it's you got to go to your search. You're gonna click on app app data percentage. Here you can see whatever is going on behind your computer. Um, right here, it's gonna come up. I'm gonna click on the Dual Coin app data roaming Oduwa Coin. I click on Oduwa Coin. If you're not, the Oduwa Coin is with capital ODUCWA, capital C coin. If it's something different, you're not going to be synchronizing your wallet correctly. Now we have the Bootstrap. We have 471 dollars. I think I'm still synchronizing this wallet. My wallet data. This is very important. This is where your money is. Wallet data. If the bigger the size, the bigger the money you have in your wallet. Make sure you protect that wallet. Right now, I don't have any money there. I don't have to put any encryptions. But once you do, you want to. So it shows this will do a quantity on my computer. So let me see. I have a bootstrap already on this wallet. And I'm also going to show you how to have a bootstrap on this computer. Okay. So that way you can catch up what's going on. When you have a bootstrap, um, they just bring in the bootstrap folder. Make sure you delete everything. And when you extract the bootstrap, delete everything. Leave the wallet that and block 001 that. This and then you restart the the wallet and you're gonna be good. So let's go start a wallet. Let's get to business. Let's minimize everything. I'm gonna start a dual coin wallet here. I hope you guys are seeing my screen. If not, I think I have to increase the size of the screen. What we're doing here right now, we're focusing on the guys that want to stake or do a coin. Once you have this big golden circle popping up, then you are in the right chain. But to verify after you download your wallet to make sure you're in the right chain. Right now my wallet is not syncing. I want to see. I'm going to wait a little bit. It's showing me zero active connection. Now I'm connected. Give it some time. Sometimes it's going to be your antivirus, whatever. Then I'm going to go to help. I'm going to go to debug. Right now, Oduwa Coins at 756,920 block high. I'm on 23. So my Windows got a lot to catch up. Because I already had a bootstrap, it's going to catch up. 5 active connection, I'm good. The last time I was here was October 5th. I'm catching up since 2018. Okay. Uh, last block time was 2018. So he's catching up. So make sure you check your settings, options, check the window. If this wallet, if this is, uh, make sure there's no check mark on this place. Because when you connect, somebody can affect the connection. So there's nothing there. I press OK. Check that. Make sure. Because sometimes that might be the reason you don't have connections. And if you do have that unchecked, then you're good. You can encrypt your wallet. I'm just going to encrypt my wallet. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just for my education only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Tells you make sure you because now this wallet that I have right here is not encrypted. Say yes, and I'm gonna, I'm gonna, I'm gonna wait, let the encryption finish, and then just wait 1 second. Now you're good. I can close the wallet, and I'm gonna restart it again. And also, if you have zero connections, what you can do, you can also add. Everything's on our website. Um, go to show you. Go to Oduwa Coin Wallet. Here, you're gonna find out all technical details, paper wallets. You want to just print a coupon voucher, you can do that there. Um, the price of Oduwa Coin, I put 10. Tells you what a dollar value is. So pretty much you have everything on the Oduwa Coin that I. Most guys are lazy; they don't want to read. They keep asking questions. How to synchronize your wallet faster? All the information are right here. How to add seed node if you have zero connections, you can also do it right here. But let me check my wallet if I have it. I'm gonna go back to. I already have the wallet OduwaCoin.config folder. I already have the seed node, but if you don't have it, it's very easy. Just create one in your appdata wallet. Just name the folder, the same folder they call OduwaCoin. Make sure the word match this one, and call your wallet folder OduwaCoin.config, CONF. And when you open that wallet, if there's nothing there, copy all this wallet here and just paste them there and close it and save it. And that's it. And reboot your wallet. The key thing here is wallet.file or duacoin.config and the block, the, the bootstrap. Because the bootstrap you see is moving very fast 304, 307, 309, 312. It's catching up the block height. Once it's complete, that block folder becomes old bootstrap. I can delete it because right now it's just helping me catch up what's going on. Okay, right? So let's see what's going on. Um, then I'm gonna open the wallet again, connect it, but I'm gonna have to wait the wallet to sync. People say, "Oh, why are you taking 8 hours?" Well, if you want to mine Bitcoin, you're gonna be waiting 7 days to catch up the block height. This is pretty easy, quicker. So you guys, if you're really in the blockchain business and you're really in the mining business, you'll know that when you want to open your bank account, traditional bank account, you got to be patient. You got to do all the paperwork. You're gonna make sure your wallet is secure. You got to make sure you're connected to the right network and check the block height. I always go to the help debug explorer 75922. Then what I'll do to confirm if that's the right chain, I'll go to a Oduwa Explorer and I'll check the block height 756924. That means I'm on the right blockchain. Okay. And if your computer is connected properly, you're gonna see this network. Let me see. You're gonna find your wallet on this network. All right. Let me find my network. Let me find my computer. I go there. What is my IP? What's my IP? Boom. I want to make sure my IP says 2323242. I'm going to go to the Explorer and look for 23242. 23242. Let me see again. My IP says 23242. Go to the Door Explorer. Let me see if I can find it. Nest. 23. Nest. Right here. This is me right here. Or most of I'm in the United States. Yes, you can find me. I'm in California. Yes, I'm happy to be mining Oduwa Coin. I love the project, and I think this project is going to moon very soon. We don't even care about the mooning. We care about the use case because you're going to be using this. Imagine you go to any part of the world and you have stores and stores and stores that accept Oduwa Coin. You don't have to carry cash no more. But for now, keep stacking up because if you got to start thinking like a farmer. More what the farmer do? They plant early, they invest later. I am doing the same thing. Every blockchain do that. Most of those, except most coins that are tokens that are running other people's blockchain on the Ethereum blockchain, they might not have this capability of wallet. But we have our own blockchain, so we create our own command. We create our own rules. Respect or dual rules. Don't liquidate your entire portfolio. Buying more to do, we increase the value of the next to do. Selling to do means that people have a bad faith, the price drop. So this is not correlated assets. It has to do with the banks. It has to do with the central government. This is purely decentralized network. Your ledger, whatever happens, my computer shut down, you're still gonna see what's going on in your computer. That means the price of a Oduwa going up and down. It depends on the community. If you're buying money, if I look at the exchange right now, very few do a coin. So it's very hard, it's very easy to to move the coin. But we're not doing any pumping because it's not our job. Our job is to create a project that will, create a solution for the unbanked and the underserved community around the world. Because why? The more people start using the dual coin, the more the value of the prize will go up. Very simple. So we focus now on our financial inclusions, how we're going to create settlement for Oduwa Coin. So when you go to Venezuela, you go to Africa, you go to China, you can just bring your wallet, scan Oduwa, pay for something, and the owner of the stores can get settled immediately, less than 24 hours, better than Visa and MasterCard. That's our focus. Our vision is our mission. So I love this project. I'm excited when I talk about Oduwa Coin because why? A lot of things is going behind the scene on the Oduwa project. The developers, the teams, they focus daily. You catch them, answer questions. They're on Telegram. What else can you ask for? On Facebook, on social media, hashtag Oduwa Coin. Right now, I'm bringing you back to the wallet. Boom, there's my wallet. This is the console. You can do a lot of command here if you understand what you're doing. Right now I'm connected, and if you're not connected, make sure your wallet folder has this information. The wallet that, and you can always back this up. Just go here and say, fine, back up your wallet. Once you back it up, keep that folder, name it anything. But don't name it wallet.dat so it doesn't, conflict with what you have your computer. Because every time your computer boots, it's looking for anything that says wallet.dat, peer.dat, block, bootsrap.dat, Oduwa config. So make sure when you don't want this folder anymore, just go back to, for example, I want to start a new wallet. I'm tired of this wallet, but I want to protect this. All I have to do is close this folder. Once I close this folder, what am I going to do? I'm just going to go back. I'm just going to rename this. Rename it Oduwa 4. Boom. I'm good to go. Right now, there's no Oduwa coin anymore. But because the computer is still running, before you do that, make sure you close this Oduwa coin. Close this, like close as it. And now you can rename it whatever you want. I'm going to go back here. Because every time it says Oduwa Coin, that's when every time you restart your wallet, he's going to be looking for that folder only. Whatever you have in that folder, that's what the computer is going to be showing you. And if your blockchain is corrupt, then you're in problem. Then you can just rename that and start all over. But make sure you back up your wallet.dat. Wallet.dat is your money, it's your purse. That's your bank account. Whoever have access with your encryption keys, your money will disappear. Booyah! But I don't want that to happen. So what you got to do, make sure you back up that wallet. Look at me. Back up that wallet. If you can't see me, hear me loud. Back up that wallet. I know you're all trying to see me, but it's not. We're not ready for that today. All right. Let's go back. Most of the cryptocurrencies are using Pierre coin, Dash coin, all the same. They have their cold wallet. They have their appdata folders. Same process. And most of them are running on proof of stake. So when you can do this, you can do any coin. You can troubleshoot mining. You can troubleshoot bootsrap.dat. You can connect on the Signal. You can add anything. When you understand Oduwa Coin, you can understand most of the other coins. Okay, they're all the same because they're using peer-to-peer connection. So to distribute their ledgers. Okay, so blockchain is a transactions, or it's a movement of financial and financial assets. So it records and it keeps them forever and they're immutable. So whatever transaction settle, it settles. So I'm going to go back here and click on Oduwa Coin. And I look at it. I have my wallet that. I have all that. So now I'm going to go back and rename that folder because I want to show you guys from the scratch. Rename that folder OduwaCoin 5. Whatever, but just remember, you can always go back to that folder and click it. Now we have OduwaCoin 5. So we can close this now. Okay. See, now my computer is out. We have 23 connections. I'm going to go back again and start the wallet all over. When I do, it's going to be a fresh new wallet because now there's no more OduwaCoin folder on the computer. It's going to be a fresh new wallet because I just changed the folder name. Okay, I just changed it. So let's see. See, brand new, nothing in here. Now it's going to ask me encrypt my wallet again. Everything is brand new. So now just imagine this is your wallet. And let me try something. Let me try and activate this window if I'm going to have network. I'm going to click options. I'm going to press network. I'm going to say connect because I always make sure you guys don't have this checked on your computer. But let me check mine and see if I have connection because that might be most trouble you guys are facing. I'm going to place that right now, and I'm going to open my wallet one more time and see if I have connections. Boom. Let me restart my wallet. And sometimes you guys might have the old block. Always go to our GitHub, get the new releases. Let's see, let me make sure this is not. This is closed. Exit. All right, now let's go. Because we're gonna try many ways. Because I don't know what computer you're using, but I know people are mining, so you should have no reason not to. Let's see if I'm gonna have connections. No connection. Zero. Why? Zero connections. Okay, you know why? My computer is getting routed through a different broadband, so it's going to a local server. What I'm going to do, we're going to go back to settings. I think that's what most people are fixing on their download. Go back to option, go back to network, disable connect through soft proxy. Make sure you disable that, uncheck that. Yes, apply, okay. Now I find problem most of you are getting. Now sometimes not even a signal, because one signal is enough to run the computer to make you connected. Now we have 4 extra on our blockchain, which is enhanced our blockchain last week. But let me see if what I just did is just the main problem you most of you are facing in Venezuela, in China, in Africa, in Europe. Let's see, guys. I'm going to close my wallet again. I'm going to disable the wallet, exit, and I'm going to start the wallet again because now I disable that network process off. Let's see. Now I have connections. So make sure on your settings. Now my connection came back. I didn't have to add anything. Okay, I didn't have to add no new seed server on the network on config on Oduwa.config. No, I just what I did was I went to settings. I click on options. I click on network. I uncheck the connect through SOC proxy. When this is checked, you're gonna face connection issues. So I did. Now I'm connected. But how long? I'm going to check the settings. I'm going to check help, debug. I'm going to see how long it's going to take me to catch up to 756,000 block high. So I need a bootstrap, something that can catch me out of the way. So I don't have to spend 7 days downloading Oduwa Coin Wallet blockchain. So synchronize and start mining or staking my Oduwa coin. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this computer. I'm going to shut it down. I'm not going to back connect it because I don't have any money. Why am I backing something? I'm going to say exit. Then I'm going to go back to. I'm going to go back to. All right. Let me see. Um, app, 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 data, percentage app data. Because there I'm going to find what's on my wallet. It's going to bring me to OduwaCoin Folder. You guys, I hope you guys are watching the screen very correctly. Everything should happen here, right here. I'm going to look for OduwaCoin. You see all the wallet that I backed up before, OduwaCoin 1, OduwaCoin 5. These are my whole wallet. You know, if I open the size of the wallet, you're going to see that the size are different. Um, see, this one has 356 megabyte. This one has, let me see the size of this wallet. 13, there's nothing in there. The old ones that I had before, it has 492. When I click on this, I'm going to see everything here. I don't have, the bootstrap is this. So what do I need to do? Right now I got to bring back, I got to, you know, add some bootstrap to this wallet because it's showing 492. So it's going to take me forever to catch up with this wallet. It's going to take me forever. So guys, I'm just going to come here. Um, Go to GitHub one more time. Download the Oduwa Coin Bootstrap under the new release assets. Save it on your computer. Unzip that folder. Once you unzip that folder, you're gonna have something like this. You're gonna have Bootstrap. You know, you're gonna have something like this. Oduwa Coin Bootstrap. I'm gonna unzip that Oduwa Coin Bootstrap. I'm gonna say unzip. But I create a folder so I can extract everything in one folder so they're not flying everywhere on my desktop. I'm gonna press extract everything. Boom. What am I looking for? I'm only looking for the bootstrap.dat folder. Fine. I'm gonna drag that file to the Oduwa Coin Folder. You see how it's gonna work, how quick it's gonna is for us to catch up. At least the last update we did on our GitHub was I think it's over uh, uh, 400 and something thousand. So just imagine we cut half of your time off. Periodically, we're going to update it. Maybe in the next 8,000, we might put another bootstrap there so you don't have to start all over. The team is doing a lot of work to make sure that guys are mining, guys are staking. We have 6 million coins available to stake over a 30 years period. So the more coin you have, someone that has 1,000 Oduwa coin and someone that has 10 Oduwa coin, they're going to be staking differently. It's an equity base. You cannot cheat the blockchain. The reason we choose proof of stake is very hard to hack into the system because the people don't so much have so much power on the back end of the network, but they also have control because they see their computer as a power protection. It helps us enhance distributed ledger, decentralized ledger. Okay, but you get more reward with the more coin you have. So I'm doing the extraction right now, and so it normally it's fast, but I don't know what's going on with this computer. But let's see. Once it's done, we're gonna start 71%. So just be patient. I need this wallet back, so um, my IP is gonna be back on the network again because I'm like 23 or something. Let's see, it's the back in the computer. You know. Watch my screen, guys. Um, so let's see. Just wait 4% because I'm doing the extraction of the bootstrap. It's already. Let me see. Now we have the bootstrap. So we're going to move this bootstrap folder. 4,600 and I think almost over almost 500 block height. So it's going to help a lot. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to open that folder. We're going to open the OduwaCoin folder. We don't need the config folder anymore because we have connections. But if we don't have that, we can do this. We can name a folder here. We're gonna add a config folder. We're just gonna say Oduwa Coin, Oduwa, Oduwa Coin. Don't forget O with a capital C, coin with a capital C. Dot config. Now we have that folder, and we save it. Yes. Open it up. I'm gonna come here, go back to the Explorer, go back to Oduwa Wallet. We'll look for the seed node. Is everything is here in the notepad. It shows you a guide to add seed node. So if you don't have that config folder on, you just do copy this line, copy all this line, and just here copy, um, go to that folder we just created, open it up, bam, bam, just add node one, add the other one, 3, 4, 5, save. Boom. Now we have that folder. So now I want to bring the bootstrap folder. I don't need all this database. I'm gonna take all this off. I'm gonna delete all this. Oh, okay. Sorry. Go back here. I'm gonna take everything just except I'm going to take everything off, leave the config, delete this, delete all this folder. Boom. I took everything off. I left the wallet.dat file. Sometimes you don't have to. You can do that later after you add the bootstrap. But let's see what happened. I'm gonna go back to this folder. I'm gonna minimize this wallet. Shut this down. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna take this bootstrap.dat folder. Just drag it here. That's it. Because now I already have 4,000 and I have to start all over. So I'm gonna close this computer. I'm gonna close this folder. Close this folder. I'm gonna go back here. I don't need this folder anymore because I already extracted this folder. I don't want to conflict on the computer, so I'm gonna take that folder off. Go to my trash. Empty recycle bin, so there's no conflict. Sometimes recycle bin doesn't mean it's just temporarily. So now I'm gonna restart the wallet. Let's go. See what happened. So what I just did, I added Oduwa config folder. I add the bootstrap and the wallet.dat on app folder. So I think I add the energy that I needed to bootstrap. I add a wallet that I needed, even there was no money in the wallet, but just for the education purpose only. I add the config folder, put all the add C server. But if you don't have if you have connection, you don't need that. But if you don't, I just did that. I showed you guys previously what might be the problem. You don't have zero connections. Okay, so it's an error loading block that. So that's fine. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna go back to percentage app data percentage. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna click on Oduwa Coin. Um, I'm gonna move on this. I'm gonna move this coin folder config folder off. Move it away. Okay. Debug. I'm gonna start a wallet again. Cause I don't need that. See? Allow the wallet to load because it's always good after you add a bootstrap folder before you add a OduwaCoin config folder. If you want to do the bootstrap stuff. Okay, now it's loading the wallet. Now we're good to go. Let's look. We have connections. Okay, we have 4 active connections. We check our settings. We check options. We check network. Uncheck. So we're good to go. If you check this box, you might have no connections. Then we have debug. Boom. Look at the speed. It's 500. We just add bootstrap. Let's see how quick it's gonna go. We're gonna go back to it's currently active right now. We're gonna go back to close this, close this, close this. We're gonna go back to percentage app percentage app data percentage. Click on Oduwa Coin. No, no, sorry, I'm going to Oduwa Coin. Oduwa Coin with just Oduwa Coin. Now I have looking at the speed, seeing how fast they're moving. Okay, because it's catching up. So let's look at the wallet. Right here, when you go back to debug again, you're gonna see switch to 3,000. Boom, from 500. So we're skipping dates. We got to catch up 756. Now, right now, you can do nothing. Just let your wallet synchronize first before you put encryptions, please. Don't encrypt nothing because the wallet is not full. Moreover, you don't have money there. Well, I close the debug. Well, this is just a little tutorial on how to uh, make sure your wallet is connected to the network. Right now, I have 8 active connections. I had to add the bootstrap folders in the wallet to speed up the process. See, it's synchronizing the block, but it's going to be faster because we already added the bootstrap um, to capture that new block high because we're over 7,000 now. We don't want you to start all over. So once your wallet is done, go to transact, go to receive coin, send money to your wallet, encrypt the wallet first, and send money to that wallet, and allow your wallet and unlock your wallet, encrypt the wallet, unlock your wallet. You start, staking OduwaCoin. It's easy, guys. And more information you can also find here at OduwaCoin.io. Read, 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 read. It's your money. Be your own bank. All right. Okay. This is just a little um, tutorial about Odua and Odua staking, Oduwa Coin. I'm excited about this project. Our goal is to have almost 1,000 miners that are staking Oduwa Coin. Because the key about it's all about having more coin. Because when price goes up, that's where you cannot reap what you don't sow. I think this information is enough for the wise. All right, catch you guys in my next section. We're gonna be talking more about the APIs that we have on our next section. All right, good luck. This is Crypto Guru here. Oduwa Coin Manager. I call myself a manager because I'm actively involved. You can be the manager too, and then you can take the position. But right now, I just volunteer to manage this project and to educate the public on how to stake or do a coin. All right, thank you now. Bye.